Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and today I have another PR video. Thank you so much to MADAMGLAM for sending on over this collection. This was a collection from back in June, I believe, and this collection is called Take Me to the Bay, but I am running a little behind on some PR, so I wanted to go ahead and try to get these videos out for you all. And I also want you guys to see the wide variety that they have within their gel polish collections, etc. and so forth. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right to it. So I do like placing a post-it note. There we go. I like to grab a post-it note now and just name the collections because I get confused with so many different collections being sent to me, so that is the easiest way for me. So that's how I'm gonna be doing it from now on. But yeah, what I love about MADAMGLAM, like I always mention, they are okay, so this is way too close up, but they're vegan, 21 free. They're also HEMA free, and they're palm oil free and cruelty free. So that is definitely amazing that they care about the ingredients that they put into their products. And then the packaging is always really nice. It has this pink cushion for extra protection. I've never received any damaged goods from them, so that's definitely a plus. And if you guys are interested in ordering, I do have a discount code that I will have up in the screen and down below in the description. But let's get right to it. So the collection itself usually, I believe, has 7 or 8 gel polishes, so they did send on over 5 that I chose. And the first one is called Surf and Skate, and this is the color. They are 15 ml. Like I mentioned, they always say everything here in the back, like their ingredients, and they are valid for 12 months. I always appreciate how they show the color on top here. Look how gorgeous this color is. So pretty. I really love it already. Then we have this is cute, Aquaholic. So here's some this is like an up close and personal type of I've noticed that the formula on these are a little bit thinner than usual, or maybe it's because of the color. Shaka is the other one. Ooh, these are like more milky, so I'm really excited to see what they are all about. I'm excited to swatch them. Then we have Oceanside. Oh, this one is so pretty. I love it. And lastly, we have Playa Beach, which means beach in Spanish, for those who don't know. So yeah, these are definitely more like milky, so I'm excited to I'm gonna start off with Surf and Skate. I'm excited to see how these look. Yeah, so these are definitely more like that type of consistency. I don't know the name right now. They're more sheer consistency, so that's actually nice. It looks very nice, and it's different for a change. Usually all their gel polishes are thick, but this one's more like of a sheer, and I like that. Like milky, very pretty. Ooh, I'm excited to see all the colors. Then we're gonna move on over to Aquaholic. These are very pretty. Kind of like, I don't want to say jelly, but kind of like that. Very pretty. Next we have Skate. Oh no, Shaka. Ooh, this one I was really interested in seeing what it was going to look like. Yeah, it's a gorgeous color. Oh, I love these type of colors. They're so pretty. It's a beautiful pink nude color. Then we have Oceanside. These are very pretty. I love them. They're so cute. Oops, I'm sorry. I knocked the camera. And then lastly, we have Playa. So let's see. This one's gonna be very pretty too. Oh wow, I love these. I'm gonna use these for sure very soon. This is so pretty. I love these sheer ones like this. And take these. They're so pretty. Oh, these colors are very beautiful. Look how gorgeous they are. They are so pretty. And if you build them up, obviously they become less opaque, but I just love that opaque look. You know, very pretty. I absolutely love these. So gorgeous. But yeah, so that's what they look like. Okay, so I went ahead and removed one hand. I removed all the nails. I soaked it for approximately like 10 minutes and it was good to go. I really recommend these for soaking. I think they're really good. You just apply a cotton ball with 100% acetone. And if you are using the Gel X system, they are so easy to soak off. That's why I absolutely love the method, and it leaves little to no damage on the natural nail. But now I'm going to go ahead and move on forward to applying my full coverage tips. I don't know where these are from, but I think they might be from AliExpress. I'm not 100%, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm just going to go really quickly and size them. I did place a peel-off coat just because I will be removing them. Okay, so these are my nails after I have chosen the size. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply them with some base coat right here. Or you could apply with the special nail tip glue. I'm just going to do it base coat. And before you do that, you do want to prep the inside of the nail for better adhesion. So just take your you would just take your drill or your nail file and do this. My favorite drill, by the way, the best, or at least my favorite. So I am using my lamp right here that I clamp onto my desk. I got on Amazon. The best, literally. And obviously for long-lasting nails, you'd prep your nails with nail dehydrator, and then you use a primer. So here we go. You literally just, this secure, but you just literally always start from the cuticle, then you press down, never the other way around. And you only need a little bit of base coat, you don't need a lot. I love, and you always turn them around just to make sure that they're straight. Personally, is I like to do a full cure under my lamp for 30 seconds. These are what the nails look like. I absolutely love them. I think they're super pretty. I'm gonna grab my favorite nail file, which is the Tammy Taylor one. I purchased this through Amazon, and I'm just gonna go in and crisp them up, even though the shape is literally perfect. But I just want to crisp them a little bit because that's just me. Definitely don't have to, but I want to, so. The cuticle area is really important, so what I do is I blend it in perfectly for it to look like acrylic application. So I hope you guys enjoy this process, just to make it look plush and beautiful. I'm gonna use one of my bigger buffers just because they are longer nails. Just speed it up a little bit. Okay, so these are what the nails look like after I am done buffing, shaping, and filing. And now we're gonna get right on over to the nail tutorial. And like I had mentioned earlier, somebody did challenge me to doing like really cute kawaii sets for about a week. I think that was what the comment was about. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and do some Hello Kitty nails. I've been really enthusiastic about doing a set like that. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and gravitate more towards pinks just because it is my favorite color and it's just what I'm feeling right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other polishes aside, and I'm gonna be working with these two in today's video, Shaka and Playa. So these are the two colors that I am gonna be creating the set with. expensive. And by the way, I am almost 100% sure that I did purchase these full coverage tips through AliExpress. These are the XXL square nails, so if I could find the link, I'll definitely list them down below. I absolutely love them, and the shape is just so beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and start. So now I'm just grabbing some isopropyl alcohol and removing the tacky layer off each individual nail. And that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this nail set. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate you all watching me and supporting me. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below about this nail set. Thank you guys once again, and I'll see you in the next upload.